Have your Amazon listings disappeared and you don't know why? Well, you're currently not alone. Over the course of the weekend, we saw multiple accounts be affected where their listings were just fully deleted out of manager inventory. And then I made a post yesterday after we talked to seller support and found that this is an issue on the Amazon Seller Central side on the back end. And on that post, I actually saw many different people saying that they also are seeing this pop up across a few different seller circles, a few different accounts, and how it's especially scary that it's happening because nobody has gotten a real good answer as to why, including us. We have sent in multiple different cases on this and can't figure out what the total cause is. But this isn't the first time this actually happened. This actually happened about a year or two ago where it was going across every single account. And then Amazon came out with a news report saying, hey, there was a incident inside the Seller Central that we have resolved. We are now going to credit you back for X, Y, and Z, which is very rare, mind you, for Amazon. But that being said, if you are somebody who is affected by this, there's a couple of different things that you can tend to do to hopefully solve some of these issues in the future if they ever happen, and some best practices that I always like to take whenever stuff like this is starting to happen. The number one easiest way you can actually solve something like this in the future is to do regular listing reports every single day. This is something that I have been preaching for years upon years now that people should be doing. It's super easy and saves you a ton of time in situations like this. So all you have to do is actually head on over to your reports section here, go to your inventory reports, and then from there, you can actually do an all listings report. Now, secondarily to this, you can also do a category listings report, and I typically am going to do the category listings report at least once per week. This is going to solve you so many headaches down the line when things like this happen, because guess what? Now that this is happening on accounts, all it takes is 5 minutes for us to go through, have those reports that we pulled out from days prior, and upload them immediately with a flat file to re-push all of that inventory, and then it's immediately live again. So if this is something that is happening to you, I would greatly encourage you to go through, get those reports every single day whenever you can, because it will save you so many headaches down the road. So this is currently happening to you and you're having some problems with it, feel free to comment down below, let us know. For more news updates like this and staying informed, subscribe to our channel, and we will keep you guys posted on anything else you can be doing during this situation.